Hi, we're Joanna and James. Welcome to our channel.
This is Inner Temple Garden on Embankment, right next to the River Thames.
A lush oasis right in the heart of London, this beautiful garden has been cultivated since as far back as 1195, blossoming further since the construction of Joseph Bazalgette's Victoria Embankment. Its glorious London plane trees were planted in the 1870s.
It was once home to the RHS Spring Flower Show and is now famed for its focus on biodiversity and experimental planting, with a vivid display of both well-known plants and more unusual varieties. It's also a haven for pollinators.
Here is a place for peace, for gentle footsteps and soft appreciation. As you can see, it's completely magical. So it seems in keeping with its ethos then, that the garden is open to the public only on weekdays from 12:30 to 3 p.m. So you have to catch it while you can, a little like Brigadoon.
Where shall we go for tea?
Wandering along the shore of the Thames is so evocatively compelling. Old and new buildings converge along its bank, reflecting the nature of this great river, constant yet ever-changing. It's easy to imagine Dickens's time and world here, the frost fairs which took place when the Thames used to freeze. We stopped to marvel at St. Paul's, but are jolted awake by post-war brutalism. It's all part of it.
What better place to admire the city than Western Europe's and the UK's highest building, on the 35th floor in the Shangri-La Hotel. The Shard was designed by Italian architect Renzo Piano. It stands at 1,016 feet and is 72 stories high.
Its pyramidal spire-like structure was created with specifically angled glass panes to reflect both sunlight and the sky, so the facade is ever-changing with the weather and seasons. Please like, subscribe and comment. We really do appreciate it.
For two, the tea came to around £15, including service, which is slightly more than your average London cuppa.
But for the views, experience and lovely staff, it was totally worth it. Thanks so much for coming along with us.
Whatever you're up to, we wish you a happy day.